Welcome and welcome to the video. Here we have exercise 10C, question number 9. Question 8 was done previously. So we'll just jump into the question. The whole question is given in the book. So I've just drawn the diagram because we have to understand the diagram. This is the most important part. So let's focus on the diagram. This is a right angle triangle. As you can see, this is the 90-degree angle given here, and it is you can say it has been distributed into two parts. Okay, this part and this part. So first part says that I have to find angle PSQ. PSQ, let's see where it's making P from S and to Q. PSQ. So this is the angle you can see here. This we have to find. As you can see, 0.85 QSR. Angle QSR is given to us 0.85 radians, and I have to find this smaller one, the unknown angle here. Okay, so how will I find the unknown angle? For that, the method which we will use here is that I will find this whole angle from end to end. Okay, from this end all the way to that end. Okay, I will find the complete angle, and then when I will find that angle, I will subtract 0.85 from it. So I will be left with this angle only. Okay, so to make the diagram more simpler, I've made this diagram because segment SQ is not required, because as we are finding the whole angle here, so we will be requiring the whole diagram here. Okay, not the partition. So I have drawn this diagram here. The sides are given here, 13.9 meter side PS, and SR is given to us 7.4 meters. Okay, so this is the right angle triangle. Okay, previously when we used to solve the questions, either base or perpendicular or hypotenuse was unknown here, but in this solution the sides are given to us. You can see here the two sides are given to us, but what I need to find is the angle. So the theta will be unknown here. Okay, though the two sides will be given, the angle will be unknown here. So how will I solve this? So before solving the right angle triangle, first things first, the first thing we used to do is to label the sides, that which side is my base, which side is my perpendicular, and which side is my hypotenuse. Okay, so as we have done before, the side which contains the 90-degree angle and the unknown angle is called the base. So this side is my base. The side which is perpendicular, which is making the 90-degree angle with the base, is called perpendicular, and at the very last is our hypotenuse. So I have labeled the sides. Okay, the two sides which are known to me, base and hypotenuse, are known to me, and I have to find the angle. So which formula will I use? Base and hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse are given in cos. So I will use the formula for cos theta. Okay, so cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse. Okay, theta, in place of theta what will I write? Because I am finding the whole angle PSR, so I will be writing cos angle PSR equals to, what is my base? You can see here 7.4 meter. 7.4 meter divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is you can see here 13.9 meter. So it's very easy. Okay, this fraction is solved, but how will I find only angle PSR? I don't want this cos here. Okay, I only want the sine, the angle PSR. So we have done this previously. Whenever we shift the trigonometric identity on the other side, what happens? It changes into inverse. Cos here, when I send it over there, the other side of this equals to sine, it will be cos inverse. Okay, so angle PSR equals to cos inverse, and this fraction 7.4 divided by 13.9. okay, let's solve this in the calculator. How to find cos inverse? Shift cos will give you cos inverse, and you can just put the value 7.4 divided by 13.9, 1.0093. 1 PSR equals to 1.0093. okay, this is 1.0093 in radians. Okay, this angle is this angle. You can see here this angle is 1.0093 radians. This is the complete angle from this end to this end. In the diagram, this whole angle is 1.0093. Now I will subtract 0.85 from it, so I will be left with only this unknown angle. So angle PSR equals to, if I subtract, okay, angle PSQ was asked to me. So angle PSQ equals to, I'm taking the whole angle, which is PSR, angle PSR, and I'm subtracting which angle? QSR from it. Angle QSR. Angle PSR, we have solved it right now. Angle PSR equals to 1.0093. 1.0093 minus angle QSR. QSR is given to us in the question. It is 0.85 radians. So I will subtract 0.85 radians. Okay. Minus 0.85. This will give me 0.1593. 0.1593 angle PSQ, and this one is radians. Now this is solved. Okay, now for part 2, the length of side SQ. I have to find the side of SQ. Let's go to the complete diagram. I have to find this side now. Okay, how long is this side? So as you can see, there is a length given here. From here to here, I know the angle as well. So I will be only requiring this triangle, and I will solve this triangle to find this unknown side. So I've done that exactly. We have this diagram here for this part. Okay, QSR, you can see this side is given to me and this angle is given to me. So I have to find this unknown side. It's very easy. We just have to apply the trigonometric identities here. First thing, identify your sides. The 90-degree angle is here. This side is containing the 90-degree and the angle. This side is my base. Perpendicular to it is my perpendicular, and at the very end is my hypotenuse. So base, perpendicular, and hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is asked to me and base is given to me. So I will use the formula which has base and hypotenuse in it. Base and hypotenuse, again cos. So I will use cos theta equals to base upon hypotenuse. Theta is given to me in this case 0.85 in radians. Base is given to me, you can see 7.4, and hypotenuse I need to find, which is the segment SQ. So how will I find this unknown side? The SQ is dividing here, it will multiply there, and the cos 0.85 will come its place. Okay, so SQ equals to 7.4 divided by cos 0.85. You can use the calculator for this. 7.4 divided by cos 0.85. This will give you the answer 11.21. SQ, the side SQ has a length of 11.21 meter. Okay, so here we have part 3, side PQ. I have to find side PQ is this. Okay, I have to find that how long this side is. Okay, so the easiest way, again, first we will find QR here, then I will find PR, this whole length. Okay, again, first we will find QR, then we will find PR, and at the very end we will subtract QR from this whole length PR. So I will be left with PQ. Okay, so for that we will be I've distributed the question into two parts. Okay, in this part we will find QR, because see, you can see here QR is given, and in this part we will find PR, the length of PR. Okay, so first let's find the side QR. Okay, again we will use the trigonometric identities here, which says here base is given to me, and this side QR is unknown, which is my perpendicular. So I will be requiring base and perpendicular here. Okay, so which side has base and perpendicular? Base and, yes, perpendicular and base, tan theta. I will use the formula for tan theta this time. Okay, so let's start solving this. Tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base. Okay, so I know that my angle is, in this case, is 0.85, 0.85, and my perpendicular is QR, which is a known, which I am finding here. Base, you can see, is given to me 7.4 meters. So 7.4 here it's dividing, I need to find QRs, it should be alone, so 7.4 here it's dividing, there it will multiply. So QR equals to tan 0.85 degrees multiplied by 7.4. This gives us the answer tan 0.85 multiplied by 7.4, 8.423. 8.423 is the side QR meters. Okay, now we have to find the side PR. So this will use a different method here. I know my base, I know my hypotenuse here. So if you recall, we did the Pythagoras theorem. Remember, the Pythagoras theorem was the formula, the theorem which relates all three sides, the base, the perpendicular, and the hypotenuse together. The Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is my hypotenuse? So we will rearrange the formula for perpendicular. So I'm keeping perpendicular here and taking base on the other side. Okay, so perpendicular is here and hypotenuse square plus base, it will be now minus base square. So perpendicular, you can see, is side PR. I'm writing it here. PR square equals to hypotenuse, we all know, 13.9 centimeter, 13.9 meter square, the whole square, minus base 7.4 and square of this. So 13.9 square minus 7.4 square. This will give us the value 138.45. 138.45. It is the value of PR square. Okay, PR square, I don't want PR square, I want only PR. It has square here, so we will take square root on both sides, PR square, and here we will take the under root as well. So square and root are cancelled, PR, the square is not removed, so we will take the under root of that value of our answer. This will give us 11.766 meter. So I know the length of PR now, I know the length of QR now. So I will take PR and subtract QR from it, so I will be left only with PQ. So let me write it here like this. Side PQ, which was asked to me in the question, PQ is equals to the whole length, which is PR, minus QR, equals to PR is given to me 11.66 minus the length 8.423. So I will find this 11.766 minus 8.423. This will give us the answer 3.343. PQ equals to, this is our answer. So part 11 is done. Exercise 10C is also completed. Okay.